So as you guys probably know, AI is getting crazier literally every single day. And the one from today is no exception. With this AI, you can literally create music, and not just an instrumental, but actually with the voice on it in any genre. So let's see how it works. So if you go to the Suno's website, and how it works is that you go to Create tab, you literally describe your song, and here you can choose if it's instrumental or not, choose the version, and just hit Create. And to see some of the good examples, let's go to their blog and see some of their best results.
The alarm clock rings, I get up in the morning. The phone is buzzing, I'm late. Monday at work, same thing again. I'm fed up with this day.
So this one has actual singing on it. The voice sounds like it's being auto-tuned or it's somewhere robotic. And I think if we were to go with R&B or rap and you would have this effect, it'll sound actually natural because a lot of real people try to make their voice sound in that way.
Up this morning, looked into my tank. I couldn't believe it, my heart just sank. My little goldfish isn't swimming around. Something's not right, he's floating upside down.
This one is actually funny. The song called Upside Down, and I think the prompt was about the fish being dead in the tank. Can sound very close to a real human. And let's take a look into some of their other examples.
Floating through the hazy twilight, with the trees and the shadows in the air, in the air. Wistful melodies dance upon.
I actually vibe with this one. If I heard this one playing on the radio or something, I wouldn't even know if it's AI or not. So yeah, I don't know, it's kind of crazy. Let's take a look into another example. Yeah, I'm not realizing that even if you don't want to use it as a toy, like you don't want to produce music with someone else singing on it, the actually useful case for this tool would be if you're recording a song and you just describe the type of the beat you want, choose it to be instrumental, then generate like 20 unique versions and just pick the one that you like and just use it for your song and sing it yourself. So I think it actually a bigger threat for a beat producers, where a lot of musicians would still want to use their voice and still want to sing themselves, where exactly them would just use the tools like that to produce songs faster and cheaper. But yeah, this is just my thoughts. So yeah, I think with all of these examples in place, Suno AI is crazy. And the question when you hear the song, if it's real, human or not, is no longer the future. It's actually today. And I think it's the exactly good time to start appreciating human-made products like songs and beats and just live concerts as something potentially more rare in the future. And I think it's still very important to use these tools for your benefit and to make the life of musicians easier and not more complicated. With that said, let's just enjoy our last song and see you in the next one.
Deep inside, they're working day and night. Powerhouse is alive, shining so bright. Oh yeah. Tiny organelles with a crucial role, generating energy to fuel the soul. Mitochondria, oh, my cells, powering every function. You do it so well. Energize, ignite, keep the fire burning.